Hey guys, let's get started on what you're going to do today for October 6th, Tuesday. You're going to go to classwork. Your instructions will be here on this Tuesday tab, as well as your CNN 10. There is no fact today, but please watch it. I also wanted to make sure you had time to do your textbook review. So you have a test tomorrow. This is your textbook review to answer some questions for practice. Once you have completed that and turned it in, I recommend you go back to Monday and watch your feudalism lecture and make sure these notes, the one with the umbrella, are completely written down because they're going to disappear Tuesday evening. Also go to yourvocabulary.com and practice your vocab because there's going to be some vocab on the test also. And then if you have finished all of those things, 1, 2, 3, 4 things, go work on missing work that you have not turned in. So to find that, you can go to Stream, and this little tiny box here, if you click View All, it's going to show you everything you're missing. If it says missing or 0, you can go complete it, turn it in, and I will grade it, okay? So that is the plan for today. Go get started.